Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Fastmail authentication settings for secure email access step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Fastmail website. Log into your Fastmail account using your email credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and find the security section. Click on the security option to view the authentication settings. Look for the subsection labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. If 2FA is not yet enabled, click on the option to follow the prompts to set up your two-factor authentication method. You can choose to receive codes via an authenticator app or through SMS. If using an authenticator app, download one if you haven't already. Open the Authenticator app and add a new entry for your Fastmail account. Scan the QR code or enter the manual code provided by Fastmail. Confirm that the app generates codes correctly by entering one in the provided field. Once verified, save your changes to enable two-factor authentication. Next, navigate back to the security section to find app passwords. Click on the App Passwords option to generate a password for third-party applications. Choose a descriptive name for the app password and click Generate. Copy the generated app password to your clipboard. Now, open your email client or the app you intend to use with Fastmail. In the email client settings, locate the account password field. Paste the app password in place of your usual email password. Save the settings in your email client and test the connection. If everything is entered correctly, you should have secure access to your Fastmail account. Finally, review your security settings periodically to ensure they remain effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.